Imagine a career where your love for sports meets the dynamic world of business. Sports management is not just games, it's a colossal business with unlimited career options. From sports operations to athletic administration, the field is rapidly evolving and expanding. If you're passionate about sports and have a head for business, this could be your ideal path. Sports management professionals play crucial roles, ensuring the smooth operation of organizations and events. They are the backbone that supports leagues, teams, and the entire sports ecosystem. Areas such as sports marketing and analytics are essential for growth and revenue generation. Strategic planning and data-driven decision-making are essential skills for success in sports management. The fast-paced nature of the industry demands that professionals stay current with trends and technologies. A well-structured sports management education prepares you to effectively navigate this complex landscape. Courses can vary but typically cover marketing, finance, and the operational aspects of sports. You can shape careers around managing teams, facilities, or even major sporting events. Athletic administration plays a vital role in overseeing the business side of sports organizations. Here, professionals manage budgets, staff, and athletic programs across various platforms. The responsibilities are varied, ranging from marketing to logistics, and everything in between. Event management ensures that each sports event, from local games to international tournaments, runs seamlessly. Logistics, ticketing, and safety measures are critical components that event managers must coordinate. Sports marketing specialists work tirelessly to engage fans and attract sponsorship through innovative campaigns. Creating lasting relationships through marketing strategies amplifies teams' visibility and enhances brand loyalty. Sports analytics is reshaping how teams operate, driving decisions through concrete data. By analyzing player performance and fan engagement, they refine strategies for improvement. The need for professionals skilled in data analytics is surging in today's competitive environment. Every sports manager must also prioritize risk management to address potential issues proactively. Success in this field hinges on the ability to adapt and respond quickly to change. With sports growing exponentially in India, the demand for talent is higher than ever. Education in sports management is crucial for individuals aspiring to make impactful contributions. The future of this career path lies in developing skills and embracing new opportunities. Programs like ISTS India's Postgraduate in Sport Management course provide intensive training for tomorrow's sports leaders. By immersing in real-world projects, students can enhance their practical knowledge and expertise. Graduates will have a competitive edge, equipped with the necessary skills for this dynamic industry. Whether you are interested in marketing, management, or analytics, there's a fit for you. Your journey in sports management could transform not just your future, but the industry itself.